Seeing some browning in there, y'all.
Catch me in the kitchen. Woo. They like, what you whipping? Catfish from the aquaquarium, you know that I be fishing. Yeah. I just dropped the bait, know the catfish on the way. Aquaquarium to the grease and then drop them on the plate.
Up early in the morning by the break of dawn.
Oh, y'all know we get up early now. Y'all better get it
to the river, gonna have some fun.
Wake up! Oh, we gonna have a fine at any time now.
I'm the catfish king of the aquaquarium.
The king now.
Boats hooked up.
Headed to the river, gonna have some fun.
Oh, yeah.
It's a cold river.
I'm the catfish king of the aquaquarium.
So we making music, y'all. Hey, lady. You got any idea what you might want to eat tonight?
Catfish.
And tonight,
Catfish.
guess what's for dinner? It's fried catfish. That's what Mama wants. That's what Mama gets. But tonight, we're not using cornmeal. We are using the House of Autry seafood mix and a few panko breadcrumbs. We're gonna season it with lemon pepper, a little bit of Old Bay, and we're gonna drop it in a little bit of egg wash. Okay, so y'all hang on. Here we go. Two nice catfish fillets, and I might as well throw some shrimp in there on the side. Let me see about this grease. Temperature of this grease. Oh yeah, it's about 326. Grease is hot and ready. Back over here at this, turn and make my egg wash. And we'll be right back. So I'm only gonna use one egg for this. Okay. So today we're using lemon pepper, egg, and I'm gonna pour a little bit of Old Bay in with my egg. Okay, I'm gonna whip that up. It's out of the, then that. All right, so 3, 2, breadcrumbs, and they're seasoned, and the seafood mix. Okay, let's get this to the grease. These are already peeled and deveined shrimp. So they're gonna go through that same egg wash. Meanwhile, back where the action is, I'm just gonna drop that in that egg wash and put that right back over here. I'm gonna drop this in that egg wash and put that right back over here. Yes, sir, I am. And then these shrimp, I'm gonna drop that in that egg wash. I'm gonna let that sit in there a little bit since, all right, we're gonna do these whole fillets. I'm going over to the grease. And the grease. There we go. That's that first one. There goes that second one. Right into that grease, y'all. You hear that sizzling action? That home cooking. Just a couple pieces of fish for dinner. Meanwhile, back over here at this shrimp bowl, we finna toss this here shrimp around in this little egg wash. Right? And then we're gonna put that into the bag of dry mix. little bit at a time. You don't want all the egg to get off in the bag. So if you do a couple at a time, it gives that time to drain off of that. Right? And my fish is almost cooked. Here. Got that nice brown tuxedo on it, I'll tell you that. Got 296, been cooking for a minute. Let's drop your shrimp off in here at the back end. And by the time that shrimp is done, the fish will be done. Mama said she's sitting over there, her mouth just watering. Alright, got Sammy just dropped that shrimp in there. Let's give it a minute and put that brown tuxedo on that shrimp. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna drop that shrimp over in there. I'm gonna spread the fish around a little bit because it's starting to brown for me. Oh yeah, and that brown. Look at that tuxedo, y'all. Oh! There's a tuxedo on them there fish. Y'all know anything about that? Meanwhile, back at the skillet, tuxedo looks real good. I got one out the skillet already, y'all. And there's the other one right there. Out the skillet. I'm gonna bring these shrimp over here to this plate. Pieces. Right there. Alright. Plate of shrimp.